Did you get the alert which says charge port door sensor fault? So this is a generic alert and there could be many reasons for this alert. So in this guide, you will get all information about how to diagnose this issue, how to fix it, how much it could cost, online support, remote diagnosis, remote fix, etc. So first, here you will find the information how to diagnose this issue. It could be diagnosed with the help of service alert, and you could find here all information about diagnosis. Second, how to fix it. Here you will find some of the steps to fix it the alert. There could be problem with software or hardware, and here you will find some of most common alert code for this fault. And in case if you need online support, please feel free to contact us. In case if you need a appointment to book fix this issue, you could book the appointment. And here you could find some of frequently asked question. Um, we could also provide you remote support to fix this alert. So we will provide you quick and affordable online support to fix this alert. This alert could be fixed without going to service center, which could save your money and time. To get this link, please have a look in a link description and comment, or you could just visit our website, which is a carrepairservice.com, and you will find these links. Thank you so much. We are looking forward to help you to fix this alert or another alert